Hello and welcome to Colleague 7 Sprint Plan for 18.07.02. This will cover the work undertaken between the 10th of July to the 23rd of July. Starting with our sprint goal, and for this sprint our objective is to investigate making email logging, OneDrive checks, notifications and GDPR updates a background task, instigated outside of the UI. We also plan to work on the markers lever feature to tie off known concerns and to offer some additional functionality in this area. Looking at the high-level items and to explain further, in this sprint we're planning to investigate and prototype a way in which key back-end tasks can be handled outside of the UI, such as email logging. This is off the back of feedback we've received advising the failure of logging taking place, but also with a view to offering further performance improvements and all-round stability to these functions. Taking these components out of the UI ensures that functions will continue to run even if tabs are closed and browsing sessions are ended in some other way. The markers lever feature has been available for some time, but there are known issues with its use which we intend to address in this sprint. We would also like to add further functionality here so that users are given more options when accessing a lever or a record which has been created via that workflow. Alert levels, which again have been in the system for a while, will finally get their own interface in the admin area, and additional user group permissions will be associated with this. A new global setting option will be made available for selection screens, allowing a user the option to run a blank selection search. This is currently restricted as there is a danger that a search with no criteria across a vast number of records will impact performance, and as such by default this will be turned off, but there is demand for the option so we will add it in. We'll be resolving a bug which is happening on the documents received page when the toolbar is made unavailable if you're previewing a certain type of email. We'll be adding the full name to the candidate's contact and company record. This is present in the main toolbar, but it's been raised enough now for us to understand that there's a need for it to be present on the entity itself. And as a minor point, we'll be adding the employee count field to the company entity. As always, if you have any queries or feedback, please get in touch. I'll be keen to hear from you. Also, for those using Colleague 7, feel free to submit your enhancement requests via the support team or directly to me using the above email address. The next video will be the sprint review based on this development sprint, and as part of that I'll include some quick demonstrations on the new functionality that's been added. Thanks for watching.